Mexican food is great for quick and easy weeknight meals. Try these barbecue corn and chicken fajitas, made with Old El Paso taco spice mix and flour tortillas. To get started, heat a char grill on high. Cook the corn, turning for 10 minutes or until lightly charred, then set aside to cool slightly. Once the corn is cool enough to handle, use a small serrated knife to cut down the sides of the corn to release the kernels, then pop them in a heatproof bowl. Next, spray a frying pan with olive oil spray and place it over medium-high heat. Cook the onion, stirring for 3 minutes until it softens. Add the onion to the corn in the bowl. Spray the pan with a little more olive oil spray, then add half the chicken and cook stirring for 4 minutes until just cooked through. Transfer the chicken to a small bowl, then repeat with the remaining chicken. Return the chicken to the pan and add the Old El Paso taco spice mix. Cook for 1 minute until it's aromatic. Transfer the chicken mixture to the bowl with the corn and toss to combine. Next, heat the Old El Paso flour tortillas in a frying pan over high heat until warm and charred. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. To make the fajitas, fill a tortilla with the chicken mixture. Top with sour cream and coriander, then drizzle with lime for some extra freshness. These barbecue corn and chicken fajitas made with Old El Paso taco spice mix and tortillas are simply delicious. Enjoy them with your friends and family.